Hi all, welcome to Kamala and Kannamani Mami's kitchen. I actually started this channel to basically educate all the youngsters who want to learn cooking, the South Indian way of cooking, which is very good, and you cannot go to restaurants, especially in these days. And many people want to use this cast iron tawa instead of a non-stick tawa because of the health hazards. So this works perfectly like a non-stick pan. So you need to buy a raw cast iron tawa, and you need to season it. There are many YouTube videos available for seasoning, or maybe I'll post one later. So now the trick to this is for you to heat the cast iron tawa evenly. So in the beginning you need to turn up the flame to the medium high and heat it so that the heat spreads all through the tawa, and then put it in the simmer. Use a silicone spatula or a brush like this, or you can even use the cloths like the previous days, the olden days. So you need to spear just a very little, like 2-3 drops of oil evenly on the tawa, and you can see it smoking. Now just before making a dosa, you need to do this. And then now for this, the heat is still on the simmer. You need to apply oil on the insides of the dosa and spread it evenly for you to get the crispness all over the dosa. Now put the heat on high so that the heat spreads consistently and evenly. You will see that the dosa comes out without sticking to the pan. See to it that the tawa is placed right on the center of the stove. Again, for the next dosa, simmer the heat and repeat the same steps. That is smearing oil, because the urad dal, the dosa batter has urad dal, which basically sticks to the pan and absorbs oil from the pan. So you need to re-oil the surface for it not to stick. My dosa has not come in the center, but it's alright. You can adjust the pan so that the heat spreads evenly to the other side as well. You need to turn up the heat. You can put it in medium high. And wait for the dosa to cook. If you try to take it prematurely, it's not going to come out easily. And in case you want to avoid some places getting burned, you just need to lift them slightly. See, I have not made any great efforts to take this out. It just came on its own. That's it. Thank you for watching.